का वेस्ट होणं पुढे विश्वमोर हॉटेल आहे तिथे कॉर्नरला रिक्षा आधी वैशाली नगरला अपना पिक्चर में भी अपना आ सकते हैं।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
है ना मैडम, सही बात है ना
एकदम।
देखा
भाई आप कहाँ से हो?
हम मजगांव प्रिंस अली खान हॉस्पिटल से आए थे।
और वहाँ पे ब्लड डोनेशन होते रहता है कि आपको जरूरत पड़ता है? होते। और ये ब्लड किसको जाता है नॉर्मली? हु डज इट गो? कौन से कैंसर? ऑल चिल्ड्रन को भी जाता है?
सब बच्चे के लिए, सबके जाता है ब्लड।
और ये पूरा जैसे हॉस्पिटल सेटअप है एकदम मेंटेन, अपना वो डिस्पोजल, सिरिंज डिस्पोजल, जो हाइजीन क्लीननेस सब ऐसा सेम है ना? सब सेम है।
सब टेस्टिंग होता है, सब बराबर टेस्टिंग होके जाता है।
ओके, ऑलराइट, थैंक यू। And this is the recovery room. Ma'am, would you like to say anything about this initiative?
Oh, I really appreciate what you have
The students
thought
of yeah, the students, they have, this is actually, I don't know if you know, but this is their against tobacco, the drive. It's a SWAT initiative.
Okay.
So they decided to think out of the box that people need blood, especially if you have cancer. Who does this blood go to?
It goes to all of the patient, whoever is admitted and is in need of the blood, mainly for cancer, because they need lots of blood.
I know.
And it is a really nice, I really appreciate your efforts and the thought which whoever has thought of this idea, because as you may be aware, the demand is much more higher than the supply.
I
And
agree.
that too for safe blood. In last 2 days, Times of India is covering this very
Yes,
well.
yes.
Yeah, because voluntary donors are the only source of safe blood.
Otherwise, people pay. They get paid, right?
Not everywhere.
Huh.
They may be getting paid, but that is not because for money's sake people can just lie. Because some points we have to, some point of time, like at for donors we have to trust them whatever they are saying.
Yeah.
Because many times they may be in a window period of some disease and they may not come positive. So unknowingly, unconsciously, people will be at fault. So
I
that is
understand.
not a good thing. So voluntary donors are really, really important for in the health sector.
Thank you, ma'am.
I really appreciate.
No, and we appreciate you all coming here. Thank you so much. Just get. This is, of course, for them. That is the testing room, right?
Yeah.
This is where they test the blood. What is it that you do here, ma'am?
Here we do, first thing we do history taking.
Okay.
And then afterwards hemoglobin checkup. And then afterwards doctor will check the BP, medical checkup.
And only then.
Pardon?
After that?
After that, if the person is fit for donation, nothing is wrong, everything is okay, then we will proceed further for donation. If anything comes wrong here itself we will defer them. You are not fit for, we will write on the paper, deferred, so and so reason.
Alright.
Yeah? Your
Thank
good
you.
name?
My name is Yati.
Huh?
Yati.
Yati.
Yeah.
Okay. Your mom Bharti.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. And here is the lady who organized it. Nandita, look up. Some sound bites, please. How did you and the students think of this?
What do I have to do?
How did you and the students think about this?
So basically we kind of thought about how we can help reach out to the community and how we can be a part of something that's bigger. The students decided that we should probably go out and do a blood donation drive for people that are affected by different forms of cancer, different forms of illnesses, and even accident victims that need blood. So that is how we came up with the concept of a blood donation drive.
Brilliant. Excellent. Thanks, Nandita. And here's another volunteer from the EMDI team. Mohsin, do you have anything to say? Are you giving blood today, Mohsin?
I don't know, but let's see.
If they allow it, will you give it?
Yes, and I thank the students and the SWAT team. They did a wonderful job. Every year SWAT comes up with different sort of initiatives, and this year the blood donation camp from students, it's like, you know, motivating everyone. So I really thank everyone, and let's keep motivating.
Thank you. Thanks,
Okay.
Mohsin. Thanks. And here we have the first donor of the day. Meet Mr. Ajit Taude. Sir, how do you feel like being the first donor of the day?
I feel awesome.
Do you appreciate this endeavor by the students?
Yes, definitely.
What do you think? I mean, nobody would have thought that, with SWAT, students against tobacco, working against tobacco, they would have thought of a blood donation drive. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a good initiative, and definitely we are helping the society by doing such a good job.
Okay, right, sir, would you like to proceed? First, let me take you through. This is where you're getting tested.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is your first donor. Meet another volunteer, Nitisha, who has also worked towards getting people in.
Our students are very good and very strong. They're going to give blood and it's going to be really great.
Thank you. फिर हम लोग आपको पूछ भी लेंगे.
हॅलो. हां, आणि काल जाऊन आलो मी दुपारी. आता माझी 2000 फी गेली.
Volunteer, Mr. Ajit Taude. Ma'am, all yours. Sit.
That's okay.
Now, ma'am, you're going to test for the hemoglobin count, is it?
Yeah.
Excellent. See, doesn't pain. Doesn't pain at all.
No.
You didn't feel it? How long does it take, ma'am?
Just 20 seconds.
Oh,
15. Wow.
superb, sir.
Super. 15.3.
Are you happy?
You are a healthy man.
Yes, thank you very much.
फर्स्ट डोनर इस रोबोनी हो गया इसको बोलते हैं
Account खुल गया.
Sunita,
हाँ
15.3.
हाँ
So where should I proceed now? I will
just
check the pressure also.
regular donor. Oh, very nice. Sister, can you manage BP?
Yeah.
Sometime.
Yeah.
Doctor is on just 5 minutes. Only. BP. Oh, very nice. Take it easy.
I think you should check your weight also.
No, wait, I myself will tell you. No need to check the weight. I am above 50.
ये जो थैली है ये आपने यहाँ रखी है इसको कुछ लगा या तो लगा दो
किशोर दूसरा बीपी ऑपरेटर्स लेके आएगा.
हाँ लेके आ जाओ.
हाँ? ले. Hemoglobin, what did you say? 15.3. pulse. You have an email ID, sir?
Yeah, it's Ajit, AJIT@emdiworld.com. Yeah, WRME.com.
You had your breakfast?
Yeah.
Slept well?
Yeah.
Any medicines?
No.
Any injection last 15 minutes? Any last 1 year?
Illness in the sense, only fever.
Not
No,
major.
nothing major.
Any dental treatment taken?
No.
Tattoo?
Sorry?
Tattoo made? Brains hardened?
No.
Just sign here. Just a minute, that. Just a minute. Register. That one. 220 starting.
Yeah. You need some sunlight?
Yeah, of course. Good, sunlight facility is here. Good. Thank you so much.
The AC is on.
Thank you. Please switch off person. Yes, sir. Can you take a wait?
This is something.
Which everybody is interested in.
No, not interested in. This is something I'm scared of. Definitely, I've been called an overweight person.
Blood bank likes overweight people.
Okay.
85.
And it's okay.
Why you know? Because our criteria is 45 kg. So we like people overweight. 85. इनको वहाँ लेके जाओ और ये बैग है सर सेम ईयर
हाँ हो गया
ये वो उधर लेके जाओ ये फॉर्म वापस फर्स्ट डोनर विश यू गुड लक
Thank you, ma'am.
होप से वी नाउ कैन वी हैव
तुम्ही एवढं उंच बोलला मला धडपड करावी लागली.
ब्लड येण्यासाठी नाही वाचवलं ना ते ब्लड खूप स्लो होऊन जातं.
अच्छा.
सरळ आहे ना. एक फॉर्म बघितलं सर हां
This whole today and Monday. Organize someone else. After this, I'm going.
But then videography is called for second only. It's okay today. Photo she can do. She's here. Okay. I will do.
And here is the first one of the day. And we wish there are many more to follow. AC change करा है Sir, all set?
Yes, definitely.
And we hope that we have many more bottles today.
Yeah.
Excellent. There you go.
Slightly ease the one, just squeeze it really slowly.
That is fast. How do you feel, sir?
Proud for being the first donor of the day.
But you regularly donate, right? Sir, smile. He's always smiling. वो रिकवरी रूम तैयार है. How long does, sir, how long does each bottle take?
5 to 7 minutes.
5 to 7. And one bottle goes to one patient or one bottle goes to 3?
We can make 3 components after that: Paxil, FFP, and platelets.
Okay. So
one blood is transferred to 3 different patients.
3 different patients. Especially cancer patients need a lot of platelet.
Platelets, yeah. And burn patients and those who are having high PTPI, they are using FFP.
Okay.
And low hemoglobin patient
Needs the pack cells, correct. So one bottle, Ajit sir, how does it feel? One bottle, you're helping 3 lives.
Yeah. Feel proud. I keep on helping. I feel that
How many times have you donated blood?
lot many times.
Okay.
After every 6 months, I do donate.
Very good. I wish more people were like you, sir. And you're taking them in the test tube for the testing, is it?
For serology testing, HIV, we can carry HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, VDRN and malaria. 5 tests we can
5 tests you're doing, and then only after that will it go into the bank?
release to the patient.
To the patient or to the bank? Or this is released immediately, is it?
No, not immediately after testing.
After testing, yeah. Okay. Do you feel weak?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, so people who think that weakness is a byproduct of blood donation, it's all wrong.
It is never.
It is never, I think. 2 glucose, Parle G should do the trick, right?
Yeah.
And here is the whole team who are helping EMDI students in this endeavor.
You should be strong in your mind.
Yes.
Otherwise, it's kind of weak.
Now don't squeeze. Excellent. And here is one of our volunteers. How did you think of the idea of blood donation?
It's superb because we can say that to give blood in every 3 months is the best thing.
Oh, can you tell us your name, please?
Anurodh Khitan,
And you are a student of?
DDA full time.
Okay. So this is all your initiative, right? All you students together.
Yeah.
Excellent. Right. Thanks. And here we are done. That's it.
आंटी मैंने वहाँ पे बंदोबस्त कर दिया है
All neat, all clean, all sterilized, all good.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.